we're gonna be getting a video of all these stuff being opened, but we can't do it here because my grandma's doing some work. So. But I just got a slime and a jumper because I wanted it. But she got slime. I got this box and this is Woozy Slime Spears, and this is the puffer thing that puffs. And what's this? Slime. Wait.
I hope you guys not posting that anywhere.
We're not. We're not. Okay. Okay. So today we're gonna be opening up this. So can you open it? And we're gonna be